Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics, here to introduce a wonderful opportunity for you. This is called the Little Garden House in Autumn. This is actually a series of 4 projects I designed, I think, at least a decade ago. Time is moving so fast. We had kits at the time. Many years have passed, and I thought it's time to wake that up and reintroduce that. We're kicking that off. Actually, I found some beautiful fabrics with the cinnamon and cream fig tree quilts by Moda. And I just thought, I felt so inspired by that collection to recolor Little Garden House in Autumn. You're seeing that here. Just a cute wall hanging, pre-fused laser cut applique. We're cutting those kits now. They'll be ready in 2023, probably in February or March. And you know what I love about that? It gives you plenty of time to get that done and displayed to make autumn of 2023 just amazing. Now we have some projects coming out right now with this collection. We have this darling acorn table runner. I love that, obviously, for that fall table with those kind of stoneware dishes. We have a garland maybe by your front entryway. And then we also have the ridiculously easy quilt, which is a perfect throw. It's a good size for the couch. So this is that whole home concept, right? The beautiful runner on the table for the elegant meal, maybe even for Thanksgiving, the garland for the entryway, the throw on the couch so you can be nice and cozy watching the movies, and of course, finding that perfect little spot for the wall hanging. Because at Christmas time, my home is fully coordinated. At autumn, I'm a little hit and miss. Well, now you can have the fully coordinated home with the cinnamon and cream collection from Moda. Obviously, we love their fabrics. Those projects are ready now. This will be on a reserve. Your backing will be included. I love that, as well as the pattern. So you can just reserve that for $10. And when those kits are ready, we'll be shipping those out to you in 2023. What we use to put our project together is on the table with me. We have a large light box, of course, as we were assembling the larger home. That's what really drove the need for the wafer 3 and the larger appliqué mat. We certainly use that in conjunction so that we could pre-assemble all of the elements and bring them onto the background as assembled units. You can see that we do have a little bit of piecing in the background and a little bit of checkerboard at the top. I couldn't resist adding in a little bit of piecing fun in conjunction with the appliqué. Your options on this, to be sure to reserve at the same time that you reserve your kit, is the thread set. That is the 50-weight cotton thread set from Sulky that we use to stitch everything down. So just pick that up, very affordable. And of course, with precise piecing that we have, again, as we piece together the backgrounds as well as the patchwork, definitely using some aids for my 1/4-inch seam allowance these days. I have my seam guides. And of course, the normal drill, the patchwork pins, the fresh blade and the rotary cutter, the fresh needle and the sewing machine, all of those normal things that help us be successful. So I could not wait. I was like, do I introduce this in the fall of 2022, shipping in spring? And I'm like, absolutely. We know your attention now is probably already turned quite a bit toward Christmas. This allows you, though, to pick up some projects now with the other cinnamon and cream projects that are ready and get those stitched or maybe on their way for completion this year, but also give you something to look forward to in 2023. You can just make a small deposit and know that you're going to get one of those limited quantity kits, and of course pick up anything else you might need, including the thread set. So thanks for letting me reintroduce to you Little Garden House series in Autumn. I'll see you soon.